Es hallt der Toten klagen, tief im Nacken das Grauen sitzt. Wenn die Uhr beginnt zu schlagen, kalte, dichte Nebelschwaden berühren dich sacht. Mitternacht.
What's up? Yu-Gi-Oh! Pack opening. Structure deck, Spirit Charmers. Let's get this open, shall we? Comes with a playing mat. I'm not opening it. It's mostly the main Charmers. I'm having a hard time opening this. There we go. It's a token. Looks pretty cool. It's a rarity a little bit. Ephemeral Processed Asa. Awakening of Process Neferoser Archfiend. Awakening of Process Greater Arnie Fire. Grand Spiritual Urchin. Spirit Charmer. Raigeki. My first Raigeki. Process Partnerships. Processed. Asa the Earth Charmer. Ear the Water Charmer. It's pretty much like Earth, Water, Wind, aka or like 4 elements pretty much. Hita the Fire Charmer. The Wind Charmer. Nerfus Archfiend, Eater of Nephronesis. Whatever. Gigabyte. Somehow. Eerie Fire. Wanu. Fairy Tale Sleeper. Fairy Tale Lena. Fairy Tale Luna. Witchcrafter Golem Aru. Dark Donarental. Witch of the Black Forest. Effect Willer. Deco Seca. Awakening of Possessed, Secret Village of Spellcasters and Spellbook of Knowledge, Tale of Foreman, Bark of Eclipse, Twin Twisters, Dark Ruler No More, Unprocessed, Spiritual Earth Art Norgang, Spiritual Water Art Oa, Spiritual Fire Art Karina, Spirit Wind Art Mayabai, Metaverse, Dimensional Barrier, Solar Morning, Familiar Process Asna, Familiar Process Irina, Familiar Process Hiheta, Familiar Process Wind. Here's some Dueling Sting, a Dueling Sting, one of these things for Legacy of Duelists, whatever you call it. And here's one of these. Well, that's all of it. Now for outro.